How to fix video call problem on Messenger. To fix it, first of all, go through your settings on your device. From here, go through the Messenger application and make sure that camera is turned on. Once you do that, go back to your settings homepage and search for General. Then go through it and tap on iPhone storage. From here, again scroll down and search for Messenger application. There you will see two options of offload app and delete app. Hit on the offload app and do offload app. Then reinstall your application again and try logging to your Messenger again and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.